In the middle of the Deccan Plateau, there's a busy town called Athni. This town, with its bustling streets and vibrant atmosphere, is a hidden gem in the heart of Karnataka. Athni is not just any ordinary town, it has a unique charm that comes from its rich history and cultural diversity. The town's strategic location has made it a melting pot of traditions, languages, and lifestyles. As you walk through its streets, you can feel the pulse of a community that thrives on its diversity and unity. It's in the Belagavi district of Karnataka, India. Belagavi is known for its historical significance and cultural heritage. The district has been a witness to many historical events and has played a crucial role in the state's development. Athni, being a part of this district, shares this rich legacy. The town's history is intertwined with that of Belagavi, making it an important part of the region's cultural and historical tapestry. Athni is right on the border of Karnataka and Maharashtra, so it's like a bridge between these two states. This unique position has given Athni a distinct identity. The town serves as a gateway, connecting the cultures, economies, and people of Karnataka and Maharashtra. The border is not just a geographical marker, it represents the blending of two vibrant cultures. This fusion is evident in every aspect of life in Athni, from the languages spoken to the festivals celebrated. The Krishna River, a really important river in South India, flows by Athni, and it's been important to the town for a long time. The river has been a lifeline for the people of Athni, providing water for agriculture, drinking, and other daily needs. The Krishna River has also played a significant role in shaping the town's history and culture. Many ancient temples and historical sites are located along its banks, adding to the town's charm and allure. Athni has a really interesting history of trading, farming, and sharing different cultures. The town has been a hub of commercial activity for centuries, with traders from different regions coming here to buy and sell goods. The fertile lands around Athni have made it an important agricultural center, with farmers growing a variety of crops. The town's markets are always bustling with activity, reflecting its vibrant economy and the hard work of its people. Because it's so close to Maharashtra, you hear both Kannada and Marathi spoken there. This linguistic diversity is one of the town's most striking features. People in Athni are often bilingual, effortlessly switching between Kannada and Marathi in their daily conversations. This ability to communicate in multiple languages has fostered a sense of unity and mutual respect among the town's residents. It also makes Athni a welcoming place for visitors from both states. You can see this mix of cultures in the food, clothes, and festivals too. The culinary scene in Athni is a delightful blend of Karnataka and Maharashtra's flavors. From spicy curries to sweet delicacies, the town's food stalls offer a wide variety of dishes that cater to every palate. The traditional attire worn by the people also reflects this cultural fusion, with elements of both Kannada and Marathi styles. Festivals in Athni are grand celebrations where people from different backgrounds come together to celebrate their shared heritage. It's like a big mix of everything. The town's festivals are a testament to its cultural diversity. Whether it's Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, or local harvest festivals, the celebrations in Athni are always vibrant and inclusive. People from different communities participate in these events, showcasing their unique traditions while also embracing the customs of others. This spirit of inclusivity and mutual respect is what makes Athni a truly special place. Athni shows how different cultures can live together peacefully. The town is a shining example of communal harmony, where people from different backgrounds coexist peacefully. This peaceful coexistence is not just limited to daily interactions, but is also evident in the town's social and cultural fabric. Community events in Athni often see participation from people of all communities, reflecting the town's inclusive spirit. This harmony is a source of pride for the residents and a model for other towns and cities. Because of where it is, it's an important connection between the two states, helping with trade and making it easy for people and goods to move around. Athni's strategic location has made it a crucial link in the trade routes between Karnataka and Maharashtra. The town's markets are filled with goods from both states, reflecting its role as a commercial hub. Transport trucks and other vehicles constantly move between the two states, facilitating the exchange of goods and services. This constant movement has also contributed to the town's economic growth and development. It reminds us that different places are connected, and it's good to share different cultures. ATHNI's story is a reminder of the importance of cultural exchange and mutual respect. The town's residents have embraced their diverse heritage, creating a community that values and celebrates its differences. Cultural exchange events in ATHNI are a testament to this spirit, where people from different backgrounds come together to share their traditions and learn from each other. These events foster a sense of unity and understanding, making ATHNI a model of cultural harmony. Right in the heart of Karnataka, ATHNI shows how different people can live together. The town's central location and its diverse population make it a microcosm of India's rich cultural tapestry. ATHNI's residents have created a community that thrives on its diversity, where people from different backgrounds live and work together in harmony. This spirit of unity and mutual respect is what makes ATHNI a truly special place, and a shining example of how different cultures can coexist peacefully. ATHNI is more than just a border town. Nestled in the northern part of Karnataka, it is a place where tradition meets agriculture in the most harmonious way. The town is known for its vibrant culture and the hard-working spirit of its people. It's really important for farming in the Belagavi district. The lush green fields stretch as far as the eye can see, painting a picture of prosperity and abundance. The farmers here are dedicated and passionate about their work, ensuring that the land yields the best crops possible. The soil is really good for growing things, rich and fertile, making it ideal for a variety of crops. This fertile soil is a gift of nature, and the farmers of ATHNI know how to make the most of it. They use traditional farming techniques passed down through generations, combined with modern methods to enhance productivity. And the Krishna River keeps it watered. The river is the lifeline of the region, providing essential water resources that sustain the agricultural activities. The sight of the Krishna River flowing through the fields is a testament to the symbiotic relationship between nature and agriculture in ATHNI. Farmers there work hard and grow lots of cotton, sugarcane and grains. These crops are not just a source of income, but also a way of life for the people of ATHNI. The hard work and dedication of the farmers are evident in the quality and quantity of the produce. Because it grows so much food, people call it the breadbasket of Belagavi. This title is a matter of pride for the residents, reflecting the town's significant contribution to the region's food supply. The vast farmlands of ATHNI are a symbol of its agricultural prowess. The markets in ATHNI are always busy with farmers selling their crops and people from other towns coming to buy them. These markets are a hub of activity where the fruits of the farmers' labor are exchanged and appreciated. The bustling atmosphere is a reflection of the town's vibrant agricultural economy. The way people live there is connected to the farming seasons, and they have festivals when the crops are ready. These festivals are a time of joy and celebration, bringing the community together to honor the hard work and success of the harvest. They are a testament to the deep-rooted agricultural traditions of ATHNI. ATHNI's food goes to other places in Karnataka and Maharashtra too, so it helps feed lots of people. The produce from ATHNI is highly sought after, known for its quality and freshness. The distribution network ensures that the fruits of ATHNI's labor reach far and wide, supporting the food needs of many regions. The farmers work really hard, and that's why ATHNI is so good at growing food. Their dedication and perseverance are the backbone of ATHNI's agricultural success. The story of ATHNI is a story of resilience, hard work, and the unbreakable bond between the land and its people. ATHNI has a long history, going back to the times of the Chalukya and Rashtrakuta dynasties. These dynasties were known for their architectural brilliance and cultural advancements. The Chalukyas, who ruled from the 6th to the 12th centuries, left behind a legacy of stunning temples and monuments. The Rashtrakutas, who followed, continued this tradition, contributing to the rich tapestry of ATHNI's history. Walking through ATHNI, you can almost feel the echoes of the past, with every stone and carving telling a story of a bygone era. You can still see old temples and other historical things there. These temples are not just places of worship, but are also architectural marvels that showcase the intricate craftsmanship of ancient artisans. Each temple has its own unique style and story, reflecting the diverse cultural influences that have shaped Athni over the centuries. The temples are adorned with detailed carvings and sculptures that depict various deities, mythological scenes, and everyday life from those times. Visiting these temples is like stepping back in time and experiencing the grandeur of ancient Indian architecture. There's even an old fort, the ATHNI Fort, which is mostly ruins now, but it reminds us of Athni's past. The fort stands as a testament to the strategic importance of Athni in historical times. It was once a formidable structure that protected the region from invasions and served as a center of administration and military operations. Although much of the fort has crumbled over the years, the remaining walls and structures still evoke a sense of awe and wonder. Exploring the ruins, you can imagine the bustling activity that once took place within its walls, from soldiers preparing for battle to traders conducting business. The people of Athni love their traditions. They celebrate festivals like Ugadi, Diwali, and Ganesh Chaturthi with lots of music, dancing, and parades. These festivals are a vibrant expression of the community's cultural heritage and bring people together in joyous celebration. During Ugadi, which marks the new year, homes are decorated with colorful rangoli designs and families gather to prepare and share traditional dishes. Diwali, the festival of lights, sees the entire town illuminated with oil lamps and fireworks, creating a magical atmosphere. Ganesh Chaturthi is another major festival where beautifully crafted idols of Lord Ganesha are worshipped and later immersed in water with great fanfare. These celebrations are not just about rituals, they are about fostering a sense of unity and belonging among the people of Athni. It's a really fun time. One of the most beautiful buildings is the Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Temple. This temple is a prime example of the exquisite temple architecture that Athni is known for. Dedicated to Lord Vishnu, the temple is a place of great spiritual significance and attracts devotees from far and wide. The temple's architecture is a blend of Dravidian and Hoysala styles, featuring intricate carvings, towering gopurams, and beautifully sculpted pillars. The temple complex is not just a place of worship, but also a hub of cultural activities, hosting various religious and cultural events throughout the year. It's a temple for Lord Vishnu, and it's really old and beautiful. The temple's sanctum sanctorum houses a magnificent idol of Lord Vishnu, adorned with intricate jewelry and garments. The walls of the temple are covered with detailed carvings that depict scenes from Hindu mythology, including the various avatars of Lord Vishnu. The temple's serene ambience and spiritual aura make it a perfect place for meditation and reflection. Visitors often spend hours exploring the temple complex, marveling at the craftsmanship and soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. It has amazing carvings and a tall tower called a gopuram. The gopuram is a striking feature of the temple, standing tall and majestic, visible from a distance. It is adorned with intricate sculptures and motifs that tell stories from Hindu epics and legends. The carvings on the gopuram are so detailed that you can spend hours just admiring the artistry and skill that went into creating them. The temple's architecture is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Athni and the devotion of its people. Lots of people visit the temple, and it shows how important faith and culture are to the people of Athni. The temple is not just a religious site, but also a cultural landmark that brings the community together. During festivals and special occasions, the temple grounds are filled with devotees and visitors, creating a lively and festive atmosphere. The temple also plays a vital role in preserving and promoting the cultural traditions of Athni, hosting various events, performances, and rituals that keep the community's heritage alive. The Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Temple is a symbol of the enduring faith and cultural pride of the people of Athni, and it continues to inspire and uplift all who visit. Athni is a bit of a mix between a rural town and a modern one. It has good roads and a train station that connects it to big cities like Bengaluru and Mumbai. Having the train station has helped Athni grow a lot, making it easier for businesses and for people to experience different cultures. Education is really important in Athni. There are many schools and colleges there which help the young people learn. The government is also helping to make the schools even better. Healthcare is getting better in Athni too. There's a government hospital and some private clinics. They're working hard to make healthcare even better for everyone in town. Even though Athni has busy markets and is becoming more modern, it still feels like a small town. Outside of town, there are lots of villages where things are more peaceful and traditional. There are big farms all around, and the Krishna River flows nearby. The river is important for water, but it's also a peaceful place to relax and watch the sunset. There are also some temples along the river. One of these is the Sri Durga Parameshwari temple, a temple for the goddess Durga. Lots of people visit this temple, especially during its yearly festival.